Hey Rowe Beauties, I'm back with the next video. It's Rowe Deville here, and I'm going to be telling you guys how to get a free lipstick from MAC. So what you do is take back 6 old products that you've used. There is rules to it. It's called the Back to MAC program. So what they do with the products that you take back is recycle them. So there can be 6 products that you take back. It can be a foundation, it could be a primer, it can be a mascara, but it can't be anything that sharpens, eyeliner that sharpens. Lipstick cannot be from a collection. Let me show you an example. It cannot be like these ones. Nicki Minaj collection, so you won't be able to get these. It can't be from Nicki Minaj, the Patrick Star collection. So any like special selections that they had, it can't be one of those. But it can be either in a black or gray container. So, and then after you get it, you can't return it. So make sure when you're there, you try it on and like that one, because you won't be able to return it. I'm actually going to put the rules down below for you guys just to go into detail. So if I missed anything on this video, follow me on Instagram, follow my Facebook. It is Beauty by Rowe, and then my Instagram is Rowe Deville. Okay? Love you guys. Make sure you subscribe too. Okay, you guys, now we're at MAC, so what I'm going to do next is go in and get a little product, okay? Come on in MAC right now, y'all. Hey. Okay, you guys, so she just took 6 of my product. I needed 2 more to get 2 lipsticks, so I'm going to be getting any of these right here. Any that is in a black or silver container. So let me try one. This one, it is beautiful. Look at that. And I actually had 10 products, so I only could get 1 lipstick since it's 6 products that you have to turn in. And then now I need 2 more to get another lipstick. So yes, this is the one that I've selected, I'm gonna get. So I just got my free lipstick, you guys, and I ended up choosing the orange, like I showed y'all. And those are the other ones that I tried. So yes, that orange is beautiful. Yes, honey. Okay, so this is how the lipstick that I just got looks. It is called CHAUD. Okay, I'm back home, everybody. So I'm gonna try on this new lipstick for you guys that I got for free. It's this one. Remember I said it has to be silver right here and black right here, and none from the collection. So this is a shade. It is an orange. Now with my lights, it looks pretty red, but it is orange, honey. Orange. I'm gonna put it on for you guys. I swear it looks so red, but it's orange. I should put a liner on it before, but I'm gonna wing it. Oh yes, honey. My lipstick is popping. Lipstick is popping. My lipstick is cool. All the boys keep jumping and they chase me after school. Alright, yeah. My free lipstick from MAC. Go get you one, honey. Thanks, guys. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next, okay?